Hi everyone, this is Ratna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Belated International Men's Day wishes. On this occasion, today I'm making my father's favorite snack, cutlet. So first, we will take 2 large potatoes or 6 small potatoes with skin, washed and cleaned. And then we will poke each one of them with a knife. And add water, just enough to immerse them. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. We can give it a stir and then cover and boil. Potatoes should be firm enough to give slight resistance to the knife. Now we can turn off the stove and transfer the potatoes to ice water for 5 minutes. In the meantime, to a pot with 3 tablespoons oil of your choice, we will add 6 curry leaves, half cup chopped onions, half teaspoon salt, and finally 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry them well. When done, we'll add half cup chopped carrots and half cup green peas to it. Instead of carrots and green peas, non-vegetarians can add 1 cup chicken, fish or meat. Following mixing, we'll add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and finally half teaspoon garam masala. And now we can mix everything and fry them. In the meantime, we can peel the potatoes and mash them. And we can add this to the pot when it is ready. We can combine everything, cook for a couple of minutes and keep it aside. While it is still warm, we can roll it into lemon-sized balls and flatten it between palms. Now we'll take a bowl, crack an egg, add salt to taste and beat it. If you don't eat egg, just skip this. And next to egg, we need half cup breadcrumbs taken little at a time. We can dip each patty in the egg and roll it on the breadcrumbs and fry it in oil until golden brown on both sides. Cutlets are ready. You can have it with tomato sauce or ketchup. That concludes today's segment. Thank you for watching. Also thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.